If you're trying to understand how online sports betting works, Bally Bet Sportsbook is one of those platforms that often comes up in conversations, especially in places where sports betting is legal and regulated. Before anything else, it's important to be clear about one thing. This guide is strictly educational. Sports betting involves real money, real risk, and it's not something to rush into or treat like guaranteed income. It should always be done responsibly and only if it's legal in your location and you meet the required age limit. Bally Bet Sportsbook is a digital betting platform operated by Bally Bet Sportsbook, designed to allow users to place wagers on different sports events such as football, basketball, baseball, hockey, and more, depending on availability in your region. The idea behind it is simple. You predict outcomes of sporting events, and if your prediction is correct according to the odds, you potentially win money based on those odds. But behind that simple idea is a system that takes a bit of understanding before you even think about placing your first bet. To start using a platform like Bally Bet, the first thing you typically need to do is create an account. This usually involves downloading the app or visiting the official website, then signing up using basic personal information such as your name, date of birth, email address, and sometimes your physical address. The age verification step is very important because betting platforms are legally required to ensure users are adults. After that, you'll often need to verify your identity by uploading a document like a driver's license or national ID card. This step can feel a bit slow, but it's part of security and regulation. Once your account is created and verified, the next step is funding your account. This is where you deposit money into your sportsbook wallet so you can place bets. Most sportsbooks, including Bally Bet, allow multiple payment methods such as debit cards, bank transfers, and sometimes digital payment systems depending on your region. The money you deposit becomes your betting balance. It's important to only deposit what you can afford to lose because betting outcomes are never guaranteed, no matter how confident you feel about a game. After funding your account, you'll enter the main part of the platform, which is the sportsbook interface. This is where you see all the available sports, upcoming matches, and betting options. The layout usually shows different categories like live games, upcoming fixtures, and popular events. If you click on a sport like football or basketball, you'll see a list of matches and different types of bets you can place on each one. Now, this is where many beginners get confused, so it's important to slow down and understand how odds work. Odds are basically the numbers that determine how much money you can win from a bet. They also represent the probability of an outcome happening according to the sportsbook. For example, if a team has low odds, it means they are more likely to win, so the payout is smaller. If a team has high odds, it means they are less likely to win, but the payout is higher if they do win. Understanding this balance between risk and reward is one of the most important parts of sports betting. When you select a match, you'll usually see different types of bets available. The most basic one is called a Moneyline bet, where you simply choose which team or player will win. There are also point spread bets, where you are betting on the margin of victory, and over/under bets, where you predict whether the total score will be above or below a certain number. These are the core types that most beginners start with before exploring more complex betting options. Once you decide on a selection, you add it to your bet slip. The bet slip is like your shopping cart, but for bets. It shows what you've selected, the odds, and how much money you want to stake. You enter your stake amount, and the system calculates your potential winnings automatically. This is the moment where you need to be careful, because it's easy to get carried away when you start seeing potential profit numbers. Many beginners make the mistake of increasing their stake too quickly, without understanding the risk involved. After reviewing your bet slip, you place the bet. Once it's confirmed, your wager is locked in, and you simply wait for the game to finish. If your prediction is correct, the winnings are credited back to your account balance. If not, the stake is lost. There is no middle ground, which is why discipline is extremely important in sports betting. One feature that platforms like Bally Bet often include is live betting. This allows you to place bets while the game is already happening. For example, if a football match is ongoing and one team scores early, the odds will change in real time. Live betting can feel exciting because everything moves quickly, but it also requires even more caution because the pace can lead to impulsive decisions. It's very easy to react emotionally during a live game and make bets based on excitement rather than logic. Another thing beginners should understand is bonuses and promotions. Sportsbooks often offer welcome bonuses, free bets, or deposit matches to attract new users. While these can be helpful, they usually come with conditions, such as wagering requirements, meaning you have to bet a certain amount before you can withdraw bonus-related winnings. It's important to always read the terms carefully so you don't misunderstand how the bonus works. Bankroll management is another key part of betting that many people overlook. This simply means managing your betting money in a smart way. Instead of placing large bets on every game, experienced users often stake small, consistent amounts. This helps reduce the risk of losing your entire balance quickly. A common mistake beginners make is trying to recover losses by increasing bet sizes, which often leads to even bigger losses. Staying disciplined is what separates casual entertainment from risky behavior. It's also important to understand that no strategy guarantees success. Even professional bettors lose regularly. Sports outcomes are influenced by many unpredictable factors like injuries, weather, team form, and even luck. So even if you do research and analyze statistics, there is always uncertainty. That's why responsible betting is always about entertainment, not income. Security is another reason why platforms like Bally Bet Sportsbook invest heavily in user verification and account protection. You should always make sure your login details are secure and never share your account with anyone. Using strong passwords and enabling security features helps protect your funds and personal information. As you get more familiar with the platform, you might start exploring advanced features like parlays, where you combine multiple bets into one. The potential payout is higher, but the risk also increases because all selections must be correct for you to win. This is where many beginners get tempted, but it's also where many losses happen, so it's something to approach carefully. At the end of the day, understanding how Bally Bet Sportsbook works is not just about learning where to click or how to place a wager. It's about understanding the mindset behind betting. It requires patience, control, and awareness of risk. If someone approaches it with unrealistic expectations, they are more likely to be disappointed. But if it's treated as a form of entertainment with strict limits, it becomes a structured experience rather than a stressful one. So whether you're just curious or thinking about trying it in the future when you're of legal age, the most important takeaway is simple. Learn the system, respect the risk, and never bet more than you can afford to lose.